Assalamualaikum, hi, and good afternoon to Dr. Suzianti, my lecturer for BIT34503 Data Science course for this semester. I am Muhammad Firdaus, Numbematics DI240042 from Bachelor of Informational Technology, and today I will present regarding my journey using Viya to obtain digital badges that can be used and displaying in my working journey when I graduated from my bachelor's degree. Using Viya, I have obtained digital badges for 4 different courses, which are Data Literacy Essentials, Data Literacy in Practice, SAS Visual Analytics 1, and SAS Viya Overview. The first certification I completed was Data Literacy Essentials, which serves as an introductory course and starting with the most fundamental questions such as what is data and what is data literate and how it helps in our process of working with data. In this course, it uses a lot of examples from the COVID-19 pandemic to even how it is useful for small businesses to be data literate. This course teaches grade especially on questioning the reliability of data sources and spotting patterns and trends to derive a simple conclusion that can help us in our work. Second course, Data Literacy in Practice, which can be seen as the follow-up to the Data Literacy Essentials course, but actually implementing what we learned using tools that are provided by SAS. In this course, we learn different phases of the data analysis workflow, where we prepare the data, analyze data, and finally explaining our findings through data visualization. This course made it clear on how to clean and prepare data before doing analysis, such as identifying missing values, correcting inconsistency, and making sure data is in a usable format. The SAS Data Studio is a tool with incredible complete features for the whole data analysis process. The third course I completed was SAS Visual Analytics 1, where it utilizes the SAS Visual Analytics as the main tool. The course starts by accessing datasets provided within the Cloud Analytics Services, or CAS, which is SAS Viya's in-memory engine that makes processing large datasets much faster than processing it in our own device. In here, we learn how to manage multiple data sources, create data views, and defining custom categories and hierarchies of the dataset. In this course, we also learn on reporting and different types of diagrams for visualizing the data. And one thing that stood out to me was the interactive report design feature, where it suggests the best diagram depending on the number of axes, categories, and other factors that best visualize the data. The final course is the SAS Viya Overview, which gives a more complete overview and every tools that are offered by SAS Viya. We learn about the data pipelines that helps complete the complete process of data analyzation from preparing the data until the reporting automatically using the pipeline based on the functions and filters that we specify. In SAS Viya, we can also do pipelines, analyze datasets, and other things that have been prepared by other SAS users, which makes it like a community of data analysts, which makes SAS a very interesting platform in doing any work, data-related work. In summary, I went from understanding what data is and why it matters to actually working with a large data to help in making decisions or creating reports that can help me and my future team to understand all the data that is available to us. I believe these courses are directly relevant to our data science courses, as they give me practical exposure to concepts we are studying, such as data preparation, exploratory analysis, visualization, and the role of tools and platforms in real-world data work. I've also added the digital badges obtained from these courses to my LinkedIn profile, which can help me boost my career when I graduated. That's all from me. Thank you.